How to fix some privacy-related extensions may cause issues on X.com. Step 1. Open X.com in an incognito or private window. If X works in private mode, an extension is almost certainly causing the problem because most extensions are disabled there by default. Step 2. Disable privacy extensions. Temporarily disable privacy-related extensions such as uBlock Origin, AdBlock, Ghosttree, Privacy Badger, NoScript, or uMatrix. Also refresh X.com after disabling each one. Step 3. Turn off tracking protection for X.com. If you don't use extensions, your browser's built-in privacy protection may be blocking X. In my case, I'm gonna click the lion icon. I'm gonna click Turn Shields Off for X.com only. Step 4. Clear X.com's cache and cookies. Open the browser settings, go to the privacy and security, find site settings or cookies and site data, and remove data for X.com and Twitter.com. Then reload the site. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.